Creating 3D models takes days, weeks and months to create. Yeah, it is very labor intensive and it also takes a lot of skill and knowledge. But what if I told you that today there comes an end to that? Yes, I have some very exciting news, guys. Hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take this and turn it into this. And all that within a few minutes. And yes, we are going to use a new free-to-use AI tool. And at the end of the video, I will also show you how you can leverage this and make money with it. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. Click the Hugging Face link in the description. The tool is called Tripo SG. And like I said, this tool is able to generate entire 3D models from a simple image. So let's test it out. This is a bird image that I generated in Midjourney. Let's upload it right here. Now, scroll a bit down and we will leave all the settings as default. And now click on Generate Shape. Okay, now it will remove the background and cut out the object. This will take like 7 seconds. Next up, it will automatically continue to generate the GLB. GLB stands for GL Transmission Format Binary, a compact, standardized binary file format for sharing 3D data, including models, scenes, textures, materials, and animations, commonly used in VR, Arkansas, games, and web applications. But yeah, that is just fancy for it is just a 3D model file format. And guys, I was really stunned by how fast this generation was. Only 52 seconds, and it had already created the first 3D model version. Just look at it. We can rotate it, zoom in and out. This is amazing. You might be wondering and saying, hold up, where are the colors? And what are those things flying around? Well, we need to complete one last step. This step will get rid of the flying objects and make it smooth. Plus, it will add the color, or in other words, the texture. In order to start step 2, we need to scroll down and press on Apply Texture. And again, this was also very fast. This one only took 40 seconds. Here is the result. I am in love. This is simply perfect. Now let's download both models so we can inspect it later in a 3D editing software. Let's delete this bird image, and now we will try another image. This image right here of a monster that I generated in Midjourney as well. Press Generate Shape. This one also took like under 1 minute. Yes, this looks amazing. By the way, let's zoom in here. I forgot to do that. The details are really impeccable. Now let's start the second generation process. And there you have it. Wow, so good. We can even dive in his mouth, so to say. The details are amazing. I mean, I don't even want to know how much time and effort I would have to put in if I had to create this model by hand myself. Let's download the models. Okay, now I want to try this full body image of Donald Trump. And start the first process. Okay, wow. But look at his shoes. It seems that he is wearing high heels. Oh, haha, yeah, maybe the AI got that right. Let's start the second process. Okay, that is a bummer. We exceeded the GPU quota for today. To get more GPU, we would have to subscribe, but no worries. We've got enough 3D models now. Now, before I am going to show you how to use this AI tool and turn it into money, let's edit the models in a 3D program. Like we could use Blender, for example. It is free to use. I have it already installed on my computer. Open a new project and delete that cube. Now go to File, and then to Import, and then click on GLTF 2.0. And now open one of the 3D models. And there it is. Now watch me play with it while Dobby is dancing in the background. And for some reason, when I clicked on shading, the entire texture appeared. Haha, lol. I admit I'm not a master Blender user. Maybe someone in the comments can tell me what happened there. But okay, this looks cool. And now let's talk about how you can use this knowledge and superpower AI tool and make money with it. Well, it is really simple. There is a high demand for 3D modeling creators. Just go to Fiverr, and here you can start your own gig. I will create 3D models for you. Something like that. You can offer to create a 3D model for an image they will give you. Or you can even create a 3D model from scratch and generate the model image in an AI image generator like Midjourney or Leonardo AI, which is free to use. For example, just look here at my Midjourney image prompt. I only typed 3D bird, and I go this amazing image, and that's it. Now, it's up to you. Create your own 3D models with this new, amazing, fast and highly detailed AI tool, and maybe even generate some money with it. Have a lot of fun, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never, ever, 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 never, ever, 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 never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye.